Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable and use the camera in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Excel first. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Click on a blank workbook. Now, the use of camera is to take a screenshot or a snapshot on your Microsoft Excel. If you have a data in it, you can simply use the camera to take a screenshot with it and save into your Windows. Now, how can we enable it? Click on the File tab. Then here you have to click on More, click on Options. Now, here in the Excel Options window, you have to simply click on this, Customize Ribbon. Choose commands from, click on this drop down arrow and choose all commands, this one. Now once selected, you just need to simply scroll down. And here on the C section, you will find camera. Now before we can add this, let's also make some changes right here on Customize the Ribbon. Click on this drop down arrow and choose Main tabs. Now basically under the Home tab, these are all the categories under the Home tab. Now let's add camera as a group right here in the Home tab. On how we can do that, you just need to make a right click on the Home tab and simply click Add New Group. Now once you have added a new group, simply click on Camera and click on Add. And now camera is added right here. Then you just need to click on OK. And as you can see, right here on the right pane, camera has been added. So whenever you want to access camera by taking or to take a snapshot of your Microsoft Excel document, click on it. And you just need to drag that to the part that you want to take a snapshot or a screenshot. And that's it. This is now the screenshot that we took on our Microsoft Excel document. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.